Hello there, math learners. Welcome back to my video. So in this video, we will be discussing compensation for overtime work during regular holidays. So the formula for the total pay for the first 8 hours on a regular holiday is given by total pay is equal to 200% times daily wage. So we will use only this formula if it is for the first 8 hours. Okay? Next, the formula for work with overtime that is exceeding to 8 hours on a regular holiday. So the formula that we're going to use is total pay is equal to 200% times daily wage plus 200% times 130% times hourly rate times number of overtime hours. Okay? So let's have our example. Emmy, a sales lady at MD Mall, earns a monthly salary of 16,500. She was permitted to work for 11 hours on Independence Day. How much did she earn on that day alone? Okay, let's have first our given data. Okay, so we have given, so we have the monthly salary, which is equal to 16,500. Okay, and the number of overtime hours, we have 11. Okay, and the standard hours is 8. So we need to subtract 8 to 8. So therefore, we have 8, 11 minus 8, we have 3 hours. Okay. So we have the given here monthly salary of 16,500 and the number of overtime hours, we have 3 hours. Okay. So first we need to determine the annual salary of Miss Emmy. Okay. So we need to, after we going to compute the annual salary, we will compute the hourly rate of Miss Emmy. Okay. So for the annual salary, so we have 12 times the monthly salary of Miss Emmy, which is 16,500. Okay, so bakit natin i-multiply by 12? Because there are 12 months in a year. So para alam natin yung annual salary ni Miss Emmy in a whole year. Okay? So we're just going to multiply 12 times 16,500 and that is 198,000. 198,000. Okay, so the annual salary of Miss Emmy is we have 198,000. Okay. So next, we're going to solve her hourly rate. So for her hourly rate, we need to get her annual salary, which is 198,000 divided by 2,080. And then all you have to do is to divide this one to get the hourly rate of Miss Emmy. So 198,000 divided by 2,080, that is 95.19. So the hourly rate of Miss Emmy, we have 95.19. Okay? And then we also need to solve her daily wage. So her daily wage, we have the standard hours, which is 8, times the hourly rate. What is our hourly rate? That is 95.19. And then, just multiply it. 8 times 95.19, and that is 761.52. Okay? So the daily wage of Miss Emmy, we have 761.52. So this time we will compute the of what Miss Emmy will receive for 11 hours of work on Independence Day, which is we will going to use the formula, which is this one. Okay, so we have total pay is equal to 2 times her daily wage, which is 761.52, plus we have 2 times 1.3 in decimal form, times her hourly rate, which is 95.19, and then times the number of overtime hours, which is 3. Okay, so let's multiply 2 times 761.52, and that is 1,523.04, plus, let's multiply this one here. So 2 times 1.3 times 95.19 times 3, and that is 742.48. And then, to get the final answer for the total pay of Miss Emmy, so that is 1,523.004 plus 742.48, that is 2,265.52. So meaning, Miss Emmy will earn 2,265.52 for working 11 hours on Independence Day.